Alright guys, so of course we're still in Spanish Town, but now I'm standing before a monumental statue, and you know what that means. It's time for our FiWi Culture segment. And this week we're featuring Lady G and Papa San, who had a collaboration for their second hit with Round Table Talk. Lady G is here to give us the backstory behind that hit. Listen up.
Papa say you a miss.
Lady G say you are this.
Mind you destroy the relationship. Papa say you a miss.
Round Table come about when me and Papa San had the song Legal Right, and that lyrics was just mashing up the whole place, dance, stage show, and Papa San decided that we wanted a follow-up for that song, and so he came up with the idea and we did the song.
Give you a list from start to finish. Stop, bite your fingernail and start to practice.
Hey, Lady G.
Well, Papa San was definitely the genius behind this song. Yeah, because I remember when we went to the studio and the musicians were making the rhythm, Papa San said he want that Pink Panther sound to be in it. He wanted Dean Fraser to blow that Pink Panther sound in it. Pan up, pan up, pan up, pan up. Na, 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 na. Yeah, and trust me, in the studio it was a great vibe, because it's always a great vibe working with Papa San. Yes, and him just have a good vibe, and everybody just did a whole of joy with it when Papa San DJ's line, you know, everybody laugh, and then when we come with my, it was like a stage show inside of the studio.
When you wash up the dish, stand in the yard and help babysit. Look out for lunch and give to Cedric.
Gussie Clark is the producer, and at that time, Music Works was at Slipe Road, and that's where Gussie Clark had his studio. Now you know it's not at Slipe Road anymore, it's at another address. So Gussie Clark, top producer. Big up yourself, Gussie.
Papa say you a miss.
Lady G say you are this. Mind you destroy the relationship.
No.
Definitely from the time we was writing that lyrics, I know this song was a hit. Reason being, we were at a friend's house named Ken Youth, yeah, in Kingston. That's where that song was written. I can clearly remember that day. And some of Papa San Virgin was there, and some of my female friends was there. So when Papa San would come with his verse, you know, say the man them I feel approve it, and I'll be a forward like with that stage show. And when me come with my verse, the woman them approve it. So you don't know, the vibe was great from the get-go. The vibe was nice, and I want them to know that that song was video at the same house. The video for that song was video at Ken Youth home at the time, the same place where we wrote that song.
The only reason why me love to stay in the house, and the only little time me really get fish a caught when you gonna work.
Spain Massive, big up on yourselves. That is how we draw the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your host Nalda Addy, and it's your boy Eddie. Alright, and we'll see y'all next week. Peace out. The Magnum Top 10 chart continues to blast hits. One more time.